Hey, what's up guys, Durable Dog here, and today I will have another how to eat video. I know, I'm looking forward to it. It's been months in the making. Today, I'm going to teach you how to eat salad. So what is salad? Salad, usually a side dish for me, consists of many greens and other vegetables such as lettuce and carrots, sometimes, no, not onions, I don't know, whatever. Cucumbers, those are thrown in there too. And if you do have it, like a salad on its meal, on its own, what are you doing? There's a lot of better things to eat out there. So, my salad, I enjoy my salad with ranch dressing, which I'll grab the whole bowl of salad ready to eat right now. Here's the bowl. As you can see, we got lettuce, loaded of cucumbers in there, and it's just drowning in ranch dressing. The only way to eat salad is with Hidden Valley Ranch. Alright, so how to eat it? As you can tell, Durable Dog, where's your utensils? Where's your fork? You don't need that. You don't need a fork to eat salad. See how easy that was? I don't have to deal with a fork, none of that. Just pick it up, eat it. A salad is a finger food, you know, according to me at least. And that's how it's done. See ya next time you're out at a restaurant, Olive Garden, you know, wherever you want to do it, Applebee's. You just have a salad on the side, just eat it with your hands. No one's gonna look at you weird, especially if they've seen this video, they know exactly what you're doing. So if you like the video, make sure to click that like button, subscribe for more great content just like this, comment what else you want me to eat, and I will see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.